All right, so here we go with a Let's Go TV production. We're about to go ahead and assemble this whole entire kid's bed with the ladder and all that. So step one, we're gonna screw in these slats right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16. Alright, it's not too bad, but anyways, so give the spots of where everything goes. Screws 1, 2, 3, plus the one at the bottom, plus the one up here, one right here, and then there's nothing but the little small screws that go in here. Then on the other side you got 1, 2, 3, plus the one at the bottom. Same on that side for the ladder. Okay, then over here on the side you'll see where you're gonna have on the side posting. You got one right there, 2, 3, okay, and then you'll see 1, 2, 3. Leave everything loose, just like these. Leave everything loose until you get the thing on there. Once you get it on there, then go ahead and tighten it down. So I'm gonna put that staircase on here. Then I'll go ahead and start tightening everything down, because as you can see, it's all out of whack. All right, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna connect this bed. We got everything tightened down tight, except for these ones right here. These bottom two go at the zero right down there. You see, bam. So I'll do another video of it and tighten.
Oh, I see the holes at the bottom. I see them. Yeah, you're right. And then there's one more.
Alright, so you have one that's there, one that goes down there. And then it'll be on this side, same over there. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then the small screws up there, 4, 5. So you got a total of 10. Alright, there you go. It's all together. Now just put the mattresses right up on here. Let's get it. Let's go. 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug. You are the man for Let's Go TV. Don't forget we got cable on deck as well. And we have everything for sale on our social media platforms at LEXGO TV. Suffer pain now, enjoy relaxation later with Let's Go TV. We can come to your house too. Business, commercial, residential. Let's get it. Let's go. Don't believe me? Well, just watch. Let's go.